This will be part A of problem number 4 from the 2012 AB exam. They give us a function, they give us the domain of that function, and in part A they ask us to find the derivative of that function. So this shouldn't be too bad. To take the derivative of this, it's probably more beneficial to look at this in a different form, rewrite the root with an exponent. So a square root is going to be equivalent to a 1/2 power, and then we'd have this quantity raised to that 1/2 power. And then if you want to take the derivative, all you really have to do is use the chain rule. And the chain rule says take the derivative of the outer function. Well, the outer function is something to the 1/2 power. So the derivative of something to the 1/2 power is going to be 1/2 times that something to the negative 1/2 power, right? Multiplied by the original exponent, subtract 1 from it. The inner function is going to stay inside this quantity here. And then you're going to have to finish your chain rule by multiplying by the derivative of this inner function. Multiply by the derivative of what's in parentheses. So the derivative of 25 is 0. The derivative of minus x squared, using another little power rule, is going to be minus 2x. And then if you wanted to clean this up a little bit, there's really only one great big term here. And I have a 2 in this denominator, and I have a 2 right there. So we can go ahead and we can simplify this by canceling those 2's. My numerator is going to be 1 times negative x, or negative x. I'm moving this that's raised to the negative power across the fraction bar into the denominator. Once I move it into the denominator, I can change it back to radical form if I want to. And I know we have a radical in the denominator, and I probably just called this a simplified form, and technically what you've learned in math doesn't allow a radical to be in a denominator if it's in simplified form, but this looks nice. We like it. It'll do what we need it to do in the upcoming pieces of the problem. Nice, quick, easy, ready to move on to part B.